What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up TP-Link Wi-Fi router. I will guide you through the smartphone setup process and through the browser setup process, and with minor differences these steps work for any model of TP-Link router. So let's get into it. First off, you need to power up your router. Here is the power adapter from the box. Plug it into a power socket and press the power button over here. And now connect the router to your internet source. I'm currently using TP-Link Tether as a modem, but you can connect to any internet source you use at this moment, even directly to LAN socket in your wall. So connect the Ethernet cable to the WAN port. This is the only blue port on your router. And now you need to wait for Wi-Fi indicators to start glowing solid green, and internet indicator should be solid green as well. On some model these indicators are white, but anyways they should glow solid light. And once you see a picture like this on your router, you can set it up in your smartphone or PC, but heads up. First of all, look at the bottom of your router and find the product label. Here you have your SSID and wireless password. Write down this information or take a picture. You may need these during the setup process. So now let's connect the router via smartphone. You need TP-Link Tether application to be installed, so get it from Google Play or App Store. Then open this application. Let me skip the login process. It's very simple. If you don't have the TP-Link ID, just create one and log in to the application. Now we are on the home screen and we see that no device is found. This is because we are not connected to the TP-Link network. To fix this, tap on the plus icon over here and tap on Add a Router. Confirm that LEDs are solid on. Then enable camera and scan QR code on the product label over here. If in some reason you can't scan this QR code, you have to connect manually using the password from the product label. But it seems everything's all right. Yes, the device is found, and you can tap on setup, then connect the router to your modem, already done. Tap on this arrow, restart your modem. By the way, you can try to skip this step. Let me try to skip. I always succeed with TP-Link routers without restarting my modem. So let's create the device password. This is not your Wi-Fi password so far. This is more important password to manage your TP-Link router. Using this password, you can change your Wi-Fi SSID and Wi-Fi password. And if you forget the device password, you have to reset your router and set it up from scratch. So write it down somewhere to not forget. Also, you can use your TP-Link ID password as a password for your router. So tap on next. On this screen, you actually don't have to do anything if you don't know what it means, because this is automatic connection type detection, and usually it's dynamic IP if your ISP provider doesn't give you any information about your internet connection type. So just tap on next on this page. Now you need to create your network name and password. This time this is your Wi-Fi. Then tap on next. This is your summary page. Device password, internet connection type, network name, password. Write down this information, or maybe let me take a screenshot. Then apply and wait for your settings to be applied. And once you see this screen, just copy your password and open your Wi-Fi settings. Find your newly created network. That's it. Paste the password and save. Now it's connected. Let's go back to the application. Logging into Archer C6. Testing network connection. And congratulations, let's tap on finish here. And it takes you to the router's interface homepage where the basic functions are gathered. You can tap on Wi-Fi settings, change your Wi-Fi password and network name here, and separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network. If you wish to do it in some reason, you can see your connection information. You can create guest network, you can see who is connected to your Wi-Fi network, and you can access to all settings from the More tab at the bottom of the screen. What I recommend you to do here is to go to the System settings and tap on Firmware Update and check for updates for the best performance and stability. But now, let's move ahead. I'm going to show you the classic browser setup method. So first you need to do is to connect your computer to the TP-Link network. Go to your Wi-Fi settings, open the Wi-Fi networks list, find the TP-Link network and enter the password from the bottom of your router. It's printed on the product label. Check if it's correct. Click on Next. Connected and secured. So now let's go to the browser and in the search bar type in the following web address, or you can type in tp-link-wifi.net, hit enter, and it takes you to the graphic user interface welcome page. Here you need to create the device password. Don't forget to write down this password. It's very important, much more important than your Wi-Fi password. Click on Let's Get Started. Save password if you wish so. Now you need to log in to your user interface. And it takes you to the quick setup menu. Make sure you're on this tab and select your time zone. I am somewhere here. Okay, let it be universal. Next. Here click on Auto Detect and make sure that this value matches this selection. This is your internet connection type. It's dynamic IP by default if you don't have any other information from your ISP. Then click on Next. If you need to clone MAC address according to this condition, you need to clone it. If you don't know why do you have to do it, you don't have. Click on Next, and here you can change your Wi-Fi network name. You can create your own password. Also, you can separate 2.4G and 5G networks if you wish to do it in some reason, and you can hide SSID, so only one who knows the exact name of your network can connect. So now click on Next. This is your summary screen. Write down or remember this information and click on Save and wait for a while for the connection to be established. And now you can connect your computer to the new network. TP-Link, this network will disappear very soon. You need to find the new one. The one you've just created. If you don't see a new network in this list, just try to restart the Wi-Fi, turn it off and wait for 5 seconds and turn on back again. Here it is, my TP-Link network. Let's connect. not connected in some reason. Let's try one more time. Sometimes things like this happens. Okay, let's enter password. Click on next. That's it, it's connected, secured, and let's go back to our web browser, click on next. Network set up successfully, enjoy the internet. Now you can log in to your TP-Link ID and manage your Wi-Fi devices remotely. Also you can have access to more cloud functions, whatever it means. But let me show you a couple of basic settings. So you can always turn back to this menu by entering TP-Link-Wi-Fi.net in your browser. You always have to log in with your password, so that's why this password is very important, because using this password you can go to your wireless menu, you can change your network name and password, you can manage different settings, including the advanced settings where you can go to system tools and upgrade your firmware, back up your settings to a file so that you can restore them later, and so on. So guys, you're all set for now. I hope this was helpful. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and be awesome. Bye guys.